Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more DB2 SQL function, which is current date. So current date function is mainly used to fetch the current date from the system. Okay, and there are many advantages, like whenever you want to insert any data with a current date. Let's say if you are working for a project where you are maintaining the logs, so at that time you need current date, right? So you can simply use this function to insert the current date into your table. So how we can use and how we can fetch the current date into SQLRPGLE program using current date function. Let's see. So here what I am doing, first of all I am declaring one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. This we will use for verifying the query whether it is executed successfully or not. Then we are declaring one result variable which is of type date because the output would be date, so we will store the date here. Okay, then we are setting the commit option equals to star none. So after this we are using the main query. So to fetch the current date into your system, into your program using SQL RPGL program, you can use this query exec SQL select current date, which is my function name, current space date. You have to write it as it is. There should be one space, right? Current space date into, then this is my host variable name result. From where we are getting this sys ibm dot sysdummy1. What is this? This is a system library and system file. So from this system library it is fetching the current date. It is available in every system, right? So you just need to write sys ibm as it is, sys ibm dot sysdummy1. So what it will do, it will fetch the current date and then store it into the result host variable. Then we are verifying the query. If it is executed successfully, if it is returning SQL state underscore valid, then display the result, else display the SQL state along with the error message query ended with an error and INR equals to star on. Okay, so let's quickly compile the program and call this. So you can see here it is printing the output as 20230830. Okay, which is the current date. Same thing if you would like to run here, you can run. So let me show you this thing. Here you can see that I am running the same query on DB2 and it is showing me the current date. Similarly, like if you remove this space, in that case it will not work. So make sure that you are writing this function name as current space date only. Now one more advantage of this I will show you. Just do one query, select star from, I'm showing one table from table 1. So this is my table name, and here you can see there are some records for ID, current date and current time. So let's say if I want to perform insert operation for this table, so here I can simply put my table name, library name and enter. So here I can put ID. Instead of writing it manually, I can simply pass the function here, current date and current time. So it will automatically take the current date and current time. So if I run the query again for this, it is also in Sharmit one. Okay, so you can see it is taking the current date and current time and it automatically insert it, right? So in same manner you can use current date for insertion, updation, deletion in where clause. Let's say if you want to find the record which is updated in current date, so you can check where date equals to current date. Okay, so this is very important function because in every project, in every data, we are maintaining logs. So to maintain the logs, to maintain the data and to fetch data according to the dates, you can use this current date function. So yeah, this is all about current date function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.